In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a tail light on a Hyundai vehicle. Stay tuned. From Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe and share to the video. Well, before you do this operation, I'm going to say you need a 10 millimeter socket. Okay, number 10 millimeter right here, and I need this guy right here. So here the two screws you're going to be dealing with here. There's one in the bottom and one at the top, the top here. So let's go about and do it. And also, when you come to the process, you need some gloves. The reason why you need gloves, because when you're replacing the light bulb, you don't want to touch the lens, because you're gonna end up putting some oil, body oil, on the bulb, and as soon as you turn the lights on, it's gonna warm up and just gonna blow right away because of the oil on your body. Stay tuned. Let's go about it. Then we can use this and start taking out the screws by 10, and take this one out. You see what I'm doing here? So we got this one out and this one out, and now we're gonna be taking the entire housing here. Alright guys, so you got this, is just trying to yank the lamp out. So it came out. Okay, so we have the entire housing out. This is the lamp, or the entire housing. That is the thing. So don't lift, just pull. It sits right there. Pull it. It's gonna give a little scratch on the body right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna work on changing this entire bulb and find which one is broken, and we're gonna replace that. So this one is the reverse. Okay, so we wanna look for the one that is blown. So we have two bulbs in here. Let's take a look and see. Stay tuned. So guys, this will be the one that we're looking for. This is the blinker, the reverse, and this one, the drive and the low. So here's the one that is blown. Exactly, see that? This is the blown one. It's black and it's a double filament. You need a double filament because you need for the drive lights and the brake lights. So this is what we're gonna do. This is already burnt out, so we're gonna you gotta press it down, push it down, and twist. See, clockwise. So sorry, anti-clockwise. Push and turn to the left. The bulb is out. See how black it is? So we're gonna replace that. All right, stay tuned. We have new ones here we're about to utilize. So these new ones, we gotta put them in, but before doing so, I wanna make sure I have the gloves on, because I don't want to mess them up. Okay, we have one of them. It's a double filaments right here, and insert it and lock it in. When you push back, push it in like a spring, push it in and twist clockwise. So now it's already installed. We have a new bulb. Don't use your bare hands and touch it because of the oil, the body oils. So we put it back in make sure we had it the right way, and twist and turn. Now it's inside. It's already locked in right here. So let's go back and put the housing in. Alright, so we got to put it back in. There's a connector here which we want to connect a plug right here, and we're gonna plug it in. Make sure it's in. Okay, now it's plugged in. When I take this and make sure it corresponds right, the way it should. Alright guys, it's already in, and we're just gonna replace back the screws. So do the same thing here, and after that we're gonna test and see how it works. You just have to be careful because it seems like you put a little scratch on the car body. So a little bit here, a little bit, because the way it was coming. Now it's already in, and it's not going anywhere. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do a test and see if the brake lights are working. Stay tuned. You watch as I depress the brakes. Maybe let's turn the park lights on. So we have an indication right there. So let's see if blinkers are working. Blinkers are working. Okay. So let's go back and test the brake lights. Since we have the park lights on, you tell me if the brakes indicate. The indicator comes on. There we go. Seems like the brakes are on. There we go. Those are the brakes. Brake lights are on. Okay. And here is the park light. So all the lights are on. So that completes our video right here. Please subscribe, like, and share to the video. Love you guys all. I hope this one helps. Give it a like, thumbs up, share the video. Bye for now. This completes how to change a tail light bulb on a Hyundai vehicle.